statistics. I can do that. Okay, I'm pretty sure most of you want to know that, so I will have to turn the screen off because I can't get to it without exposing the grades of individuals.
Did you say
first.
your audio?
The audio is still working.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's still recording at this point. So I'm just going to switch the channel to something that does not have anything to display. And I have to figure out how to do that. Okay, input 2. Okay, let's take a look at grades. And we want to look at, oh, I know what to do. I can export my grades into a spreadsheet. Then I can graph it and do all sorts of stuff with it. And then we just want the final exam. I mean, the second exam.
Yeah, I know. Favorite scotch. Yeah.
What's your favorite drink, sir?
Yeah. Let's see if that works.
Delightful chocolate.
Let's hold on a second here. Delete those columns. Sort. Okay, so here's a spreadsheet with the grade distributions. 80 points is basically the maximum. 80 out of 80 is the maximum. So let me just give you an idea of the breakpoints of the test. So 1, 3, 5, 7. And
Is this just the exam or the overall grades?
this is just the exam itself, just the second exam. So 80 times 1 divided by 8. I'm just, figuring out the breakpoints. Okay, so these are the breakpoints. No one is getting Fs in this exam. One person is getting a D. That's a D right there. A C is between 30 to 50 points. So C's will go from here to here. 3 people are getting C's. Is that giving you a good idea of the grade distribution already?
Yeah.
It's a little bit too easy, I think.
Whoa. What do you mean too easy?
So B's would
No, give some credit for thinking,
B's would go from here to here, and the rest are A's. I mean, that's just not right. This is going to ruin my reputation.
No, it's going to cement your reputation for being a great professor who teaches his students to think better.
You don't understand. My reputation, according to ratemyprofessors.com, in terms of easiness, I usually have like 1 for easiness, being not easy, right?
Right.
So by my reputation, lazy students don't come to my classes.
But there's your point. There's your point. If your reputation is that lazy students don't come to your classes, it must mean that this class is composed of non-lazy students.
Exactly.
Which means students who know what they're doing.
But what are the chances, that my next class is going to be like that?
You might get a whole class full of lazy students.
Well, actually, statistically speaking, my Friday class typically works better, in terms of, people being hardworking and actually doing the work. Because, who else would come to, ARC on a Friday in the morning to take a class like this?
Be at home in bed, yeah.
Yep. So good job, both of you as a class, did pretty good in exam 2. I have to make some adjustments in the final exam.